Confusion. You have to spell just the word. Okay, what is my first word? The first word for Arush is vulture.
Vulture.
Correct. Clap for him. Now next word for the okay. Next student, Vihan. Responsible. Wrong. Sorry. Advik. Advik, please come on. For the Advik. Advik, for you a word observation.
Observation.
Wrong. Next student, Aradhya.
Neighbor.
Correct. Next student, which? For which the word is digestion.
Digestion.
Yes, correct. Next word, Pitush. Yes, are you ready, Pitush? Conclusion.
Conclusion. Conclusion.
Sorry. Wrong. Next boy, Aryan. Please come, Aryan. For Aryan, behavior. 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 Time up, wrong. For Nivedita, feathers.
Feathers.
Yes, clap for her. Good. Now the first round is over here. Anyone is remaining? First. Second stage. Once again.
So first round of second stage, these students have qualified. You give them a big round of clap. Now we will be.
For Arush, you have to tell the word confusion.
Confusion.
Once again. Repeat.
Confusion.
Yes, correct. Good. Sit down. Aradhya, once again. Breathing.
Breathing.
Good. Correct. Next girl, For Dvij, perform.
Perform.
Once again.
Perform.
Wrong. Surprise.
Surprise.
Yes, good. Clap hands. Yes.
Has qualified second round of second stage. Now we will have last round of second stage. Third round. Give them a big round of clap.
For Arush, the new word hierarchy. Hierarchy.
Hierarchy.
Hierarchy. Try once again. Hierarchy. Hierarchy.
Hierarchy.
Sorry. Wrong. The community. Community.
Community.
Repeat once again.
Community.
Sorry. Wrong. Community. Next girl. Round of applause for the people. Once again, guys, you are not clapping well. Yes, Nayan, are you ready, boy? Yes, I will pronounce the word. You have to spell and pronounce at the same time without any confusion and hesitation. Okay? The word for you. Mosquito.
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 Yes, good. Yes, boy, are you ready? Yes. For you, skeleton.
Skeleton.
Yes, good. Correct. Good. Next girl. Take your mic. Yes. Stand. For you, frozen. Frozen.
Frozen.
Yes, great. Clap. Correct.
Well done, Manashri.
Well done. For Vedant, the body is a structure.
Structure.
Structure. Once again.
Structure.
Wrong. Rutuja. Rutuja question. For the Rutuja, substance.
Substance.
Please repeat once again. Repeat.
Substance.
Yes, now correct. For the pronoun, yes, the vitamin. Word vitamin.
Vitamin.
Repeat once again.
Vitamin.
Wrong. You need not to go after the end. Reptile.
REPTILE. T-I-L-E.
Yes, correct. Pick up. Swara. Life cycle.
L-I-F-E-C-Y-S.
Life cycle.
L-I-F-E-C-Y-C-L-E. Life cycle.
Yes, now correct. Now correct.
Why are you telling?
Rukmate.
Keep quiet. Sir, ये
For Rukmate, the word is author. Author.
O-R-T-H-O-R.
Author. Wrong. For Atmaja, the word is abdomen.
A-B-D-O-M-E-N. Abdomen.
Yes, correct. The first round is over here. Second round for the second stage. Once again, the big round of applause for these people, boys. Clap. Big clap. One of the two people, you are not clapping. Now, Nayan will come once again. Good luck for the Nayan. For you, the next word is reproduce.
R-E-P-R-O-D-U-C-E.
Once again, you have to say it correctly.
R-E-P-R-O-D-U-C-E.
Yes, correct. Clap for the great catch. For you, the next word is a project.
P-R-O-J-E-C-T.
Yes, correct. First will come. Detergent.
D-E-T-E-R-G-E-N-T.
Yes, correct. What is your next? Yes, for you, identify.
I-D-E-N-T-I-F-Y.
Yes, correct. Oh, fabrics.
F-I-A-B-I-C.
Once again, repeat. Fabrics.
F-R-A-C.
Wrong, wrong. Rukmate. Tora. Antenna.
A-N-T-E-N-N-A. Antenna.
Wrong, wrong. Tweezers. Tweezers.
Q-U-R-Z-E-R-S.
Wrong. Tweet. Start from the T. Once again, the big round of applause for these people. Yes, we have to stick together. Nayan. Yes, for the Nayan. Facilities.
F-A-C-I-L-I-T-E-S.
Once again. It's wrong actually.
F-A-C-I.
Catering.
S-C-A-T-T-E-R-I-N-G. Scattering.
Yes, correct. Next girl, Manasvi. Observation.
OSERVATION.
Repeat once again.
OBSERVATION.
Okay, fine. Sit down. For Rituja, the word conservation. Conservation.
CONSERVATION.
Yes, correct. Now the game is very tough.
The stage and all three has qualified.
The insectivorous.
P. Rathore and Rutuja
For the final round.
Yeah.
Insectivorous.
INSECTVOROS.
Wrong. VROUS. Last.
The word for you is family.
FAMILY.
Correct.
Summer. SUMMER. Summer.
Correct.
FOOTPRINT.
Correct. Good.
TERFUL. Wonderful.
Correct.
TEMWORKS. Teamwork.
Eliminated. The correct spelling. Barber.
BRAFBEL.
Barber.
BARBEL.
Eliminated. Correct spelling.
Yashasri, are you ready? This is the second round. This is a experiment.
EXPERMENT.
No, wrong. Whispering. The word whispering.
Whispering. WHISPERING.
Wrong. Just
SPERING.
now. Kedar. Parliament.
PARLIAMENT.
Yes, correct. Democracy. Yes.
Democracy. DEMOCRACY.
Okay, correct. Paridi, the word is explore.
EXPLORE.
Yes, correct. For you, the word is diagram.
DIAGRAM.
Wrong.
KINGDOM.
Yes, correct. Sit down. Constitution.
CONSTITUTION.
Correct. Fine. Villagehood. Villagehood.
VILLAGEHOOD.
Okay, correct. Dynasty.
Dynasty. DINASTY. STIY.
Wrong, wrong. Okay. Once again, second round. Tanmay, come forward, take your mic. Fraction.
FRACTION.
Okay, correct. Priya. Symmetry. Symmetry. From symmetry. Okay.
SIAMETRY. PLEAT.
Wrong, wrong, wrong. Narrator.
NARROTER.
Wrong, wrong. For Arush, the word is a nutrient.
NUTRERENT. NUTRE.
Wrong. Okay, these two students are selected for the final round.
Very good, well done. You are selected for the championship round.
Yes, Abhay, come forward. You the word sustainable. Sustainable.
SUSTAINABLE. TAINABLE.
Yes, correct. For you the word infrastructure.
INFRASTURCTURE.
Once again, repeat and slowly you have to spell the word.
INFRASTURCTURE.
Okay, correct. Srishti, come forward. Urbanization. Urbanization. Urban ruler. Urbanization.
ABRA.
Sorry. For Mukta, the word is satellite.
SATILATE. ATILLATE.
Wrong. Yes, two students are the final round. Big clap for them.